In this video, we'll look at accessing the current window and the current form in order to make some changes to those objects. So let's run this program and see what it is we're going to do here. Here we have a little program with an input statement with two fields and two labels. When we choose the hide action, one of those fields is being hidden and the text of our window is being changed. Let's take a look at how this is done. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure we have a variable defined to handle the reference to the current window and to the current form, or to the window object and the form object. So we're opening a form from a defined form that we've created called new form, and we're displaying that form. Then we're going to let W equal the current window. So we're using the window class's getCurrent method to get a handle on the current window object. Then once we have a handle on that current window object, we can get the form object reference as well. So now we're going to let F equal the current window's current form. So once we have that information, now we can use the methods that are a part of those classes, the window class and the form class. So then we're simply going into an input statement. We have an action set up on action hide, and when the user selects that action, we're going to use the Windows set text method to make a change to the window object. We're setting the text of the window to this verbiage here, customer field hidden. Then we also want to make a change to the form object, and the method that we're going to use here is to set a field to be hidden. So set field hidden, which field are we referencing? The customer.store name, and do we want it to be hidden, true, or not hidden, which would be 0 or false, and we're specifying 1. Now we could also make a hide the label that's associated with this field as well. So let's look at the form, and let's just pull up the properties view so that we can find the name of the label that we want to reference. So we were hiding this particular field, which was the customer name field. As you can see here, customer.store name is its name. And we also want to hide the store name label. We can see here that its name is LB2. So let's go back to our code and let's make another call to a form method. Same form, so we're going to call F dot, and instead of using field hidden, we'll use element hidden. And we're going to set a specific element on the form to be hidden. And the element that we're referencing had the name LB2, and we want to set its hidden attribute to true. So let's go ahead and recompile and rerun this. And now when we choose hide, we have set both of those elements to be hidden. Now if we take a peek at the DOM tree, we can see in the form structure, we have a label with the name LB2, and the hidden attribute is set to 1. We also had a reference to this form field with the name customer store name and its hidden attribute set to 1 using the set field hidden method. Now, since we've given the user the ability to hide these, let's give them the ability to show them if they're hidden. So on action show, let's set the text to customer field showing, and let's set the field hidden to 0 and the label or the element that we're hiding also to 0. And now when we run this program, we choose hide, they're hidden, we choose show, and again, they appear and our text changes to showing.